Three brothers on a dusty road, different lives, different loads. One in the hills, one by the sea, one still chasing his destiny. But when the weekend finally comes, we gather loud like beating drums. Old guitar and bottles high, laugh so hard the neighbors cry. We joke about the old days gone, who got fat and who moved on, who still owes $100, who still got terrible love. Three brothers drinking through the night, talking nonsense till sunrise light, laughing loud, singing wrong, turning pain into a song. Though the distance hurts sometimes, different roads and different lives. No matter where the world may go, brotherhood will always grow. One says, bro, remember school? Another says, you looked a fool. The youngest laughs and spills his drink, too drunk to even stop and think. Funny stories, crazy fights, broken hearts and sleepless nights. Underneath the jokes we hide, how much we miss those days inside. Sometimes silence fills the air, 'cause not every brother's there. Like it's busy, people change, but blood and memory still remain. Three brothers drinking through the night, talking nonsense till sunrise light, laughing loud, singing wrong, didn't fade into a song. Though the distance points sometimes different and different roads, no matter where the world may go, brotherhood always grows. One day old with silver hair, still be joking anywhere. Raise our glass